Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was actually just sent this really cool collapsible and yet portable dolly that actually can hold up to 270 pounds. It actually is really nice for several reasons. One, this thing is light. That's me picking this up with 2 fingers. You could easily pick it up with 1 up there, but the fact that this is all aluminum makes it really strong. And the fact that this has tank style wheels on here that are actually considerably wider than some of the competition. These are actually 12-inch width wheels, giving it some more stability. This one also does include additional straps that I'm loving the fact that they actually can hide away when you're not wanting to use them. That way when you're putting things on here, if you didn't want to use them, they're still always handy, which is great. Some of them you have to take on and off, but if you did want to ever use them, you just simply disconnect them from the back and can strap them around anything that you're needing to do, which is really great. This, again, it's very easy to move. I'm moving it on carpet right now, nice hand truck style, and collapsible all the way down, and then you can fold it down to put it away. But I wanted to kind of show you some of the moving capability. You got to lift with your legs, not your back. This actually has got about 50 pounds in here, and so that is easy now that it's on there to move that around to where that's not going anywhere. So once you get where you're going, you can simply set it up and you're good to go. This also comes with a really nice carrying bag, so you can easily put it in there in case it happens to be dirty, throw it in the back of your car or truck, and be ready anytime you are.